Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the difference between the words already, already, alright and alright. Now these words can be very confusing to some English language learners and they don't know exactly when to use them. And that's exactly what I'm going to clarify in this video. So let's get started. But friends, before I move on, I would like to request you that by the end of this video, if you feel that you have learned something new, please give this video a like, please subscribe to my channel, please press the bell, because I keep coming up with videos like this to help you improve your English and communication skills. Now, let's dive straight into it. Friends, the two words already and alright, which are two words, mean that everything is ready or correct or okay. Let's take a couple of examples. The selected candidates are all ready for the test, which means that there is a test which has been planned and all the candidates are now ready to take the test. Another example, your answers are all right, which means that all your answers are correct. So I hope you've understood the meaning of the words already and alright, which are two words. Let's move on. Friends, already, which is one word, means that something happened earlier than expected. Let's take 2 or 3 examples out here. He's only 14 and he's already speaking 4 languages. He's a genius. Now, clearly, this is something which has happened before time. A 14-year-old does not speak 4 languages. So hence you use the word already, which is one word. The repairs on my truck are finished already. Wow, that was fast. Now this person was expecting that the repairs to his truck will take time, but the repairs were done earlier. So he was quite surprised. Another one, you don't have to wash the plates. I've already done it. That means the event has already happened and hence you use the word already. So I hope you've understood the meaning of the word already, which is one word. Let's move on. Now friends, alright, which are two words, can also mean okay, uninjured, acceptable or average. Now let's take a couple of examples of each. Are you all right? Now friends, you can use this particular sentence if somebody falls or slips and you can help him to get up and ask him, hey, are you all right? Number 2, if it's all right with you, we'll move the meeting, which means that if it is acceptable to you, we'll move the meeting to another slot. Number 3, the food at that restaurant is all right, which means that the food is average, not specially great, but it is not bad either. Let's move on. Friends, the meaning of the word alright, which is one word, is a variant of the word alright, which is 2 words. Now that is not considered correct in English, even though many people use it informally. But I would advise you not to use it, although these days many people use it informally, but it is not considered correct in English. So friends, I hope that you have learned something in this video. Now I'd like to give you some homework. I'd like you to make a sentence with the words which you have just learnt and put them in the comment box. I'll be happy to provide you with some feedback. Thank you so much and I will see you in the next one.